Get ready because Google is about to change the game again next week. The Pixel 9 Pro is launching, and it's not just another smartphone, it's the future of AI in your pocket. Today we're diving into how the Pixel 9 Pro will redefine what a smartphone can do and why Google is leading the charge in the AI revolution. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. For business inquiries, contact us today for expert content creation and advertising your brand or products on our TikTok and YouTube channels. Don't hesitate to email us. Last year, Google introduced us to the Pixel 8, an AI-first smartphone that set a new standard for what's possible. With features like advanced photo editing tools, real-time transcription, and AI-driven spam call screening, Google showed the world how AI could transform our daily lives. The Pixel 9 Pro is building on this legacy, taking everything we loved about the Pixel 8 and pushing it even further. So what makes the Pixel 9 Pro so special? It's all about the AI. Google has packed this device with cutting-edge AI tools that are designed to make your life easier and more connected. Imagine being able to move elements within a photo seamlessly, clean up your audio recordings with a tap, or translate languages in real time while you travel. These aren't just features, they're the future, and they're all debuting on the Pixel 9. But Google's not just innovating in a vacuum. There's a fierce competition at play, and Apple is nowhere to be seen. The iPhone 15 launched just 2 weeks ago, but it was missing one crucial element: AI. Apple's been slow to adopt AI, and while they've got plans to introduce Apple Intelligence next year, they're already behind. The Pixel 9 Pro is part of the second generation of AI smartphones, and it's clear that Google is leading the charge. So, what does the future hold? With the Pixel 9 Pro, Google isn't just setting trends, they're defining the future of smartphones. By continuing to push the boundaries of what AI can do, Google is ensuring that Android remains at the forefront of innovation. This isn't just another phone launch, it's a statement. Google is making it clear that they're the ones deciding the future of AI. The Pixel 9 Pro isn't just the next smartphone, it's a glimpse into the future. As Google continues to innovate and push the limits of AI, one thing is clear: the future of smartphones is here, and it's powered by Google. If you're ready to be a part of this revolution, make sure you're tuned in for the official launch. Trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in tech. Let us know in the comments. Are you excited for the Pixel 9 Pro? Peace out.